Alright, so we're at some cool trails by Lake Texoma, and while we're here for the weekend, we figured we'd take this thing out. There's some nice cool trails, some rocky, just some fast straights, so this thing should be a lot of fun.
Yeah. So we'll kind of take you along. It might be a lot of GoPro footage, but
yep.
This is our ATV we built with a built 212 from Gopowersports parts. I mean, everything on this is kind of Gopowersports special here. Yep. But it's a fun little machine for sure, so we'll take you along and let her rip.
Yeah. Okay guys, well I'm alive after that. Our suspension bottom's out on jumps, so and then on this time it hit a rock, so we probably won't be doing that many more jumps.
Alright, so aside from the crash, what do you think?
Dang, yeah, I kind of forgot how awesome this thing was. We haven't driven in a while, but it's really solid, super controllable, really driftable, which is like the best part. But yeah, I mean, besides bottoming out, I really don't see a single problem about this thing. It's like pretty much perfect.
I think it's tough because it's so rocky, and sometimes there's some big old rocks. Like if it was sand, I think it would be perfect.
Yeah, y'all probably saw I dug up a rock when I hit that, so.
Yeah,
not good, but.
Well, Joe's gonna go now. He's gonna try to do a little bit less excavating.
Yep.
Let's let her rip. That's a lot of fun right there. It's a workout holding on to this thing, trying not to get launched off. Whew. Ah.
Guys, I got a pet rock.
Good. Yeah,
these are the type of things we're dealing with here.
Cool. Well, Jason's gonna go for this little bit of a hill climb right here.
Yeah,
for 6-inch tires, it's a big climb.
Yeah. Alright guys, we had a blast with this thing. We're really tired now because we've been riding this for a couple hours, but it's just so much fun to ride. You can just cruise over these bumps and rocks for hours. So super impressed with this thing off-road. Had a lot of fun with it. Looking forward to doing more with this for the future. Thank you to Gopowersports for all the parts we use on this thing. Links in the description. Make sure to follow us on Instagram to keep up with our builds and get a closer look at some of the stuff we're working on. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you next time.